Didgery, Domino Master, Puzzle Chronicles, Classicard, Avatar Deluxe Blackjack, Indirian Solitaire, Golden Royal Blackjack, Lost Cities, Rummy, FunTown Mahjong, Memorania, Golden Royal Hold'em, Yu-Gi-Oh! GX Tag Force 2, Poker Smash, World's Best Freaking Card Game, World Series of Poker 2008 Battle for the Bracelets, Culdcept Saga, Soltrio Solitaire, Magic, the Gathering Duels of the Planeswalkers, Uno, Texas Fold M, Uno Rush, World Series of Poker Tournament of Champions.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.